Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these sweet roasted vermicelli balls. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. You will need 1 packet of vermicelli. I used about 200 grams of vermicelli. Break them into small pieces as you can see in the video. In a pot, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee or oil, then add the vermicelli and cook them in a medium heat till brown. Your vermicelli has to look like this. Make sure they're not too dark. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a quick mix. Followed by 185 grams of sweet condensed milk, and pour the condensed milk while mixing till everything is well mixed. Then lastly, I added some raisins, but if you have almonds, you can also add some and mix everything well, and your sweet vermicelli is ready. Remove them from the fire and shape them in any design you like. Apply some oil in the containers that you will use so they can get out easily. Add the vermicelli in and press them in using a spoon as you can see in the video. After 3 to 5 minutes, remove them from the container and your sweet vermicelli balls are ready, and enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.